Hello, I'm DriveMaster, your driving instructor. Today we're going to learn how to parallel parking in the forward direction. Compared to parallel parking in reverse, parallel parking in the front is more difficult and requires much more effort. But we believe that every driver should know how to do it, so we created this video. We already have a video on our channel with parallel parking, but there we did it in reverse. I leave the link in the description below this video. Subscribe to the channel and we'll get started. Please note, when selecting the starting position for parking, it should be taken into account that the vehicle is more maneuverable when moving backwards. Therefore, the parking space should be at least 2 times larger than your car's body. Okay, step 1. Find an available parking space. Make sure the parking space is large and you have enough room to park. Step 2. Take the correct position on the road. You should keep a distance of at least 3 feet so you have more maneuverability and don't hit the car to your right. It is better to be guided by the dimensions of the car. Want to start parking? You should stand with the front bumper parallel to the car to your right. However, if you're a beginner and it's still difficult to get a feel for the full dimensions of the car, you can use the side mirrors to help you get your bearings. Move forward slowly until the right side mirror is level with the other car's side mirror. Step 3. Be sure to turn on your right turn signal so that other drivers know what you are going to do next. Look in your side mirrors to make sure you are not obstructing anyone or causing an accident. Turn the steering wheel 1 turn to the right and slowly start driving until you align the lower left corner of your windshield with the left side of the car in front. Then, while driving slowly, turn the steering wheel fully to the left and move as far as you can until the car is level. Step 4. As you can see, we are still quite far from the curb. This is because we park in a straight line, and for a successful parallel parking right away, we don't have enough space. Next, we need to engage reverse gear. Turn the steering wheel to the right as far as it will go and reverse until we see the left headlight of the car behind us. Then, we need to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left again and reverse until we are parallel to the curb. Congratulations, you have successfully parked. Now practice on your own on unloaded sections of road.